Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best marine coolers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're gearing up for boating, fishing, camping, or just a backyard barbecue, these coolers promise to keep your drinks chilled and food fresh for days. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Igloo Cooler's insulated portable hardshell ice chest cooler. This cooler boasts a 120 quart capacity, making it an ideal choice for large gatherings or extended outdoor trips. The UV inhibitors in the lid protect it from sun damage, ensuring durability even in harsh conditions. Its stain and odor-resistant liner makes cleanup a breeze, while the threaded drain plug allows for easy hose attachment for quick draining. The swing-up handles with tie-down loops are a thoughtful design feature that makes transportation straightforward. In terms of performance, the Igloo Cooler offers solid ice retention for up to 3 days, making it suitable for weekend trips. However, its plastic build, while lightweight, feels less robust compared to other coolers on this list. The dual snap-fit latches provide secure closure, but the child safety latch might be a minor inconvenience for frequent access. At just over 8 kilograms, it's fairly manageable to carry, though its size can pose storage challenges. The Igloo Cooler is a budget-friendly option that covers the basics well. It's perfect for casual campers or small boating trips where extended ice retention isn't critical. While it lacks some advanced features like cup holders or rulers, its straightforward design and affordability make it a solid entry-level choice. Pros include its generous capacity and UV protection, while cons include average ice retention and somewhat flimsy handles. At number 4, we have the Coleman Marine Cooler with fully insulated UV guard lid and body. This cooler offers an impressive 120 quart capacity, capable of holding up to 204 cans, making it perfect for large outings or fishing trips. Its UV guard coating protects against sun damage, ensuring that it can withstand prolonged exposure to the elements. The swing-up handles are sturdy and ergonomic, while the have-a-seat lid doubles as a convenient seat, supporting up to 250 pounds. Built-in cup holders and an integrated ruler on the lid add functionality, making this a versatile choice for marine use. Performance-wise, the Coleman Marine Cooler keeps ice for up to 3 days, though its insulation is slightly less efficient than others on this list. The odor-resistant liner, treated with antimicrobials, helps prevent mold and mildew, making it easier to maintain. However, its size and weight, over 20 pounds, might make it cumbersome for solo transport, and it's not wheeled like its Coleman counterpart higher on this list. This cooler is ideal for fishing enthusiasts and boaters who need a reliable and spacious cooler without breaking the bank. While it's not the most premium option, its features and price make it a great value. Pros include a high capacity, UV protection, and added lid functionality, while cons include average ice retention and heavy build. Coming in at number 3, we have the Igloo Cooler's Marine Series insulated portable hardside cooler ice chest. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, this cooler features Igloo's innovative cool riser technology, which elevates the base to improve cooling performance. Its hybrid latch combines stainless steel durability with plastic flexibility, ensuring longevity and secure closure. The eco-friendly thermocool foam insulation provides up to 5 days of ice retention, making it perfect for extended trips. With a capacity of 70 quarts, it holds up to 102 cans, making it a solid mid-sized option. The Marine Series cooler stands out for its thoughtful design. Its foam-insulated lid and body perform exceptionally well in maintaining cool temperatures, even in hot weather. However, at 13.4 pounds, it's heavier than some alternatives, and the lack of wheels might make portability a challenge for solo users. The build quality is robust, with stainless steel components adding to its durability, but some users might find the snap area of the latch less intuitive. This cooler is ideal for anglers, campers, and boaters who need reliable cooling for longer outings. Its elevated design and eco-friendly insulation set it apart, while its mid-range capacity strikes a balance between portability and storage. Pros include excellent ice retention and durable construction, while cons include its higher price point and heavier build. And number 2, we have the Coleman Classic Series Insulated Portable Rolling Cooler with Wheels. This cooler is a standout choice for anyone who values portability and convenience. With its heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and durable tow handles, transporting this 100-quart cooler is a breeze, even when fully loaded. It boasts impressive ice retention, keeping contents cool for up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The Have-A-Seat lid supports up to 250 pounds, making it both functional and sturdy, while the molded cup holders ensure your drinks stay secure. The design and build quality are excellent, with a leak-resistant channel drain plug for easy draining and a stain-resistant liner for hassle-free cleaning. Its large capacity of 160 cans makes it perfect for tailgating, camping trips, or large gatherings. However, at 20.4 pounds, it's one of the heavier options on this list. While its wheeled design compensates for the weight, it might not be the best choice for rough terrain or areas where wheels are less effective. The Coleman Classic Series cooler is tailored for those who need a high-capacity, portable solution for outdoor adventures. Its combination of spaciousness, cooling performance, and portability makes it a top contender. Pros include its wheeled design, long ice retention, and sturdy build, while cons include its weight and bulk. Finally, at number 1, we have the VEVOR Ultra Light Hard Cooler, the premium pick for this list. This cooler offers a unique blend of lightweight design and high-performance cooling. With a 38-quart capacity, it holds up to 54 cans, making it perfect for smaller groups or solo adventures. Its standout feature is its 1.57-inch thick insulation layer, which delivers remarkable ice retention, up to 60 hours at freezing temperatures. At just 10.1 pounds, it's 30% lighter than comparable rotomolded coolers, making it incredibly easy to carry. The build quality is exceptional, with durable polypropylene and polyethylene materials ensuring longevity. The heavy-duty handle is ergonomically designed for effortless transport, even when the cooler is fully loaded. While its capacity is smaller compared to other coolers on this list, its portability and efficiency make up for it. The cooler performs best in controlled environments, so avoiding direct sunlight and using a 40% ice-to-content ratio is key to maximizing its cooling capabilities. The VEVOR Ultra Light Hard Cooler is the go-to option for campers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight yet high-performing cooler. Its premium price is justified by its advanced insulation and portability. Pros include its lightweight design, excellent ice retention, and durable construction, while cons include its smaller capacity and sensitivity to direct sunlight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.